Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake jelly. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of unflavored gelatin. To begin, pour 1/2 cup of cold fruit juice into a small bowl. Sprinkle 1 packet of unflavored gelatin evenly over the surface. Let this mixture sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes. This crucial step, known as blooming, allows the gelatin to fully hydrate. It prevents clumping and ensures a perfectly smooth, clear jelly. Without proper blooming, your jelly might have an undesirable grainy texture, so don't skip this important part. Next, in a small saucepan, combine the remaining 1.5 cups of fruit juice with about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until the sugar completely dissolves. It's important not to let it boil. Once the sugar is dissolved, remove the pan from the heat and stir in your bloomed gelatin mixture. Continue stirring gently until the gelatin is fully dissolved and the liquid is clear. This creates the sweet, flavorful base for your jelly. Finally, carefully pour the warm jelly mixture into your desired mold or directly over your cooled cake layer. For best results, ensure your cake is completely cool to prevent the jelly from melting into it. Place the dish or cake in the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or until the jelly is perfectly firm and wobbly. This patient cooling process is essential for achieving that delightful, classic jelly texture. Enjoy your beautifully crafted cake jelly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.